The leaves are changing colors in Virginia, which means people are searching high and low for everything pumpkin spice flavor, apple cider flavor. So for the entire month of October, we're gonna be featuring fall-themed old fashions around the entire state of Virginia. Let's get it going!
Stay off the cuff, that's OFF. Show them bars to the worldwide net. All the drinks made yet, pass one to me. Blessed he, the old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
Virginia is the Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday. And this week we're coming to you from Alexandria, Virginia. And we were at Kiln, which is located inside the Hotel Heron. One of my favorite seasons is fall. So for the entire month of October, we're gonna be featuring fall-themed old fashions. I went up to the bar, I talked to the gentleman there. They said that they have a super unique old fashioned. They're using bourbon, rye, whiskey, and it comes with these two little colored edible flowers. These are also edible. Let me just, hold on. Don't necessarily know if I recommend eating the flowers, but nonetheless, if you just tuned into our channel, we are Virginia's Grubbers. We do a series every single Friday called Old Fashioned Friday. We review old fashions, all four things, 0 to 3 on appearance, first sip, overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the establishment. We're gonna jump into this appearance first. Very, very sexy glass. Love the glass. If it was like a touch bigger, that would be fire, but the glass is fire. Garnish with those two edible, which I already ate one, flowers, giant piece of clarified ice, which we always stress. It's sexy, it's chic, it matches the overall vibe here at the hotel and inside of Kiln. Off of appearance, I mean, this is as close to as good as you're gonna get. I'm gonna go 2.9. We're gonna jump into this first sip. This is called the Porter Old Fash. Bourbon, Rittenhouse rye, and they're using a Catoctin Creek honey whiskey inside of this as well. A root beer spray, and then your typical bitters. One of the most unique recipes, if you will. The root beer spray, right off the rip, you could smell it, but he said that with the Catoctin Creek honey and the root beer, it kind of all blends and meshes together very well. Let's jump in. Wow. With the honey and the root beer, it feels very fall-ish, if that makes sense. Incredibly smooth, very easy to drink. If I drank this in the summer, I most likely would say, like, this is a cocktail you would definitely want to enjoy in the fall. I'm really digging the honey, root beer, all the flavors that are kind of swirling in there. Very clean. First sip, we're gonna go 2.9. We're gonna jump into the overall ambiance here at Kiln at the Hotel Heron. As soon as you walk inside the hotel, there's a beautiful lobby here. There's a nice little couch, which is where we're sitting at here. And then off to the left, you have the actual restaurant of Kiln. Beautiful ambiance inside the restaurant itself, even more beautiful inside the hotel itself. Beautiful color profiles, decor. There's also a bomb rooftop on top of the hotel that has music, DJ. It's a total vibe. So just off the hotel and Kiln itself, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful establishment here in Alexandria, Virginia. We're gonna go full one. We're gonna jump into this overall. Let's get it. I really love the glass, man. It's just, I don't know, it just feels chic, feels sexy, incredibly clean. It's going down like I was thirsty on a hot summer day and I'm just chugging root beer. Very good, very good. One of the most unique recipes that we've had in the 4 years of shooting these, and one of the most unique tasting with that honey and root beer combo. Here we go, last sip. This is what makes it the fall theme. We got the little colored leaves here. Very fall-esque, here we go. Oh, that one's a little spicy. Flowers are throwing me off. However, if it didn't have flowers in it, we wouldn't have done it because it wouldn't have been fall themed. See this? We love this. We love this. Virginia's Grubbers loves this. Consistent from A to Z, start to finish, however you want to call it. We're gonna stick to the same 2.9. There you have it. Kiln Virginia's Grubbers 9.7. Cheers.